Let's work fly.
Hey guys, what's up? It's week 2 of Arts Weekly, and today, as I promised, I am going to show you the reveal of the painting. I haven't removed the tape as yet, so that is what I'm going to do today. So let's begin. So this is it, guys. This painting was done very quickly, so not much details or realism going on in this painting here. But it's the best I can do given the short time. When you're pulling off the tape, you ensure that you pull it away from the painting or the drawing. So you pull it this direction. So I'm pulling the tape away from the painting.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.